Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Party. The main goal is to collect the most stars and coins by the end of the game. You'll navigate diverse boards, play exciting minigames, and strategically use items. There are 4 main game modes, each offering a different way to play. Understanding your character's unique dice block is absolutely key to success. Let's dive into the main game modes. Party mode is the heart of Super Mario Party, where up to 4 players compete on diverse boards. River Survival is a cooperative adventure, challenging you and your friends to paddle down a river. Soundstage focuses on rhythm-based minigames, while Toad's Rec Room offers unique, interactive tabletop experiences. Minigames are crucial in Super Mario Party, with over 80 different ones to master. Winning these minigames earns you coins, which are essential for purchasing stars. Strategic use of items, such as a golden pipe to warp to a star or a custom dice block to influence your roll, can truly turn the tide in your favor. Every one of the 20 playable characters brings a unique dice block to the game, offering different risks and rewards. Selecting a character whose dice block aligns with your strategy can be a huge advantage. Always aim for star spaces and make good use of item shops to maximize your coin and star count for victory.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.